In the realm of business management, particularly when it comes to accounting and enterprise resource planning (ERP), the name Sage often surfaces as a prominent player. Businesses of all sizes rely on Sage's suite of software solutions to manage their finances, operations, and customer relationships. This widespread usage naturally leads to a common question. What country is Sage software from? To put it plainly, Sage software hails from the United Kingdom. Its journey began in Newcastle upon Tyne, England, in 1981, marking the inception of a company that would go on to become a global leader in business software. Understanding Sage's origin provides valuable context to its development and its long-standing presence in the business software landscape. The story of Sage's creation is rooted in the entrepreneurial spirit of its founder, Graham Wiley. Initially, he developed software to help his printing business manage its accounts more efficiently. Recognizing the broader need for such a solution, he, along with David Goldman and Paul Muller, established Sage. The name Sage itself is derived from the initial goal of creating software that provided wise accounting solutions for businesses. From its humble beginnings in the northeast of England, Sage experienced significant growth throughout the 1980s and 1990s. The company focused on developing user-friendly accounting software that catered specifically to small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs. This focus on the SMB market proved to be a key driver of its early success. Sage understood the unique challenges faced by smaller enterprises and tailored its software to meet their specific needs, offering a more accessible and affordable alternative to the complex and expensive systems designed for larger corporations. As technology evolved and businesses became increasingly interconnected, Sage expanded its product offerings beyond core accounting software. The company ventured into areas such as payroll management, customer relationship management, CRM, human resource management, HRM, and enterprise resource planning, ERP. This expansion allowed Sage to provide a more comprehensive suite of business management tools, catering to a wider range of business functions and industries. The growth of Sage was not limited to the UK. The company strategically expanded its operations internationally, establishing a presence in key markets around the globe. This global expansion included significant investments and acquisitions in countries like the United States, Canada, Australia, South Africa, and various European nations. While its headquarters remain in the UK, Sage has become a truly multinational corporation, serving millions of customers worldwide. The fact that Sage originated in the UK has several implications. Firstly, it reflects the strong tradition of innovation and entrepreneurship within the UK's technology sector. The UK has a history of producing successful software companies, and Sage stands as a prime example of this. Its early success and sustained growth highlight the country's ability to foster and nurture technological advancements. Secondly, Sage's UK roots have influenced its approach to software development and customer service. The company has built a reputation for providing reliable and well-supported software solutions. This emphasis on quality and customer satisfaction has been a key factor in its long-term success and the trust it has garnered from businesses globally. Furthermore, understanding Sage's origin can be beneficial for businesses considering adopting its software. Knowing that the company has a long and established history in the UK, a country with strong regulatory frameworks and business standards, can provide a sense of confidence and stability. It suggests a company with a proven track record and a deep understanding of business needs. In conclusion, Sage software originates from the United Kingdom, with its journey commencing in Newcastle upon Tyne, England. From its initial focus on providing accounting solutions for SMBs, Sage has grown into a global leader in business software, offering a comprehensive suite of tools for various business functions. Its UK roots are an integral part of its identity and have played a significant role in shaping its development, its approach to customer service, and its standing as a trusted provider of business management software worldwide. For anyone involved in project management or business operations, understanding the origins of the tools we use provides a richer context and appreciation for their evolution and impact. Sage's story is a testament to the power of identifying a need and building a solution that resonates with businesses, starting from a small venture in the UK to becoming a global force.